map, but the history's massive. Mark Twain Park with a pen that's active. Huck kept floating, beach kept snapping. King Arthur's court, man, that all happened. Octagon study, ideas erupted. Every blank page started combusting. Woodlawn stones where the legends lay. Names don't fade when the words still stay. Elmira College, sharpen the brain. Build generations, changing the game. Books in the back, like trees in the air. Knowledge gets heavy, you still gotta bear. Harris Hill, watch the clouds rise. Touching blue and mechanical skies. National soaring, history flies. Gravity loses every time. W.
Jones with a fearless plan, risked it all just to free one man. Underground routes, coverage ran deep, promises made where promises kept. Elmira scars that history wrote. Cold eye fences, hope Betty spoke. Woodlawn National standing still, thousands rest on that quiet hill.
Elmira, built with grit. Every street got another script. Every brick got another name. Every decade changed the game. Elmira, stand your ground. History never slows it down. River rises, people fight. Morning always beats the night.
Early Davis, breaking the ceiling. Heart of a champion, never concealing. Statue standing, ton of youth. Greatness starts when you follow truth. Chemung River, covering the town. Water goes up, water comes down. Chemung Valley, painted in green. One of the best you've ever seen.
Eldritch lights with the carousel spin. Kids grow older, memories win. All night hanging, masterpieces high. Every brushstroke catching your eye. Clemens Center, curtains rise. Standing ovations under the lights. First arena, hockey night. Crowd gets loud when the puck takes flight.
Pioneers swinging under the sun. Jackals battle till the horn was done. Mammoths enforcers carry your pride. Sports kept beating from side to side. Remington keys going click, click, clack. Factories working, never look back. World War II put the town on call. Elmira answered, gave it their all.
Where old whistles echo loud, canal boats pulling through the crowd. Tanglewood trails, fresh air breathe, battlefields underneath the leaves.
Lackawanna wheels keep rolling. Veterans' memories never folding. Airport one-way engines scream. Southern tears still chasing dreams.
Victorian houses, downtown glow. Normanton only, old brick snow. Corn and glass and Watkins Glen. Every weekend back again. County fair with the fairest lights. Horses rolling into the night. Big class moving, seasons change. Yet the hometown heart's the same.
Then came Magnus 72. River broke through like nobody knew. Water climbed and hope went in. But you can't drown a soul within.
That's the thing about Elmira's name.
Locked down hard, but it rose again.
From trains on decks to the gliders time.
Our city still fighting one more life.
Elmira, 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 Elmira. Go!
Mark Twain riding through the summer light. Octagon study late at night. Huckleberry drifting down the page. Connecticut Yankee took the stage. Woodlawn rested, stories never fade. Literary legends that the city made. Elmira College leading the way. Learning grows a little more each day. Turn the page, look around. History echoes through this town. Elmira rolling year by year. Every corner tells you why we're here. From river It's big flat shop in Harris Hill. Fighters soaring, climbing still. Champions wide in summer breeze. Dancing high above the trees. Autumn colors paint the sky. Kayaks drifting gently by. Gateway to the Finger Lakes. Every road a memory makes. Passing corn and catching light. Watkins Glen, spectacular sight. County fair and midway cheers. Family traditions through the years.
Four sets, big flat side by side.
Historic churches filled with pride. Oh, years travel far to see. Where train shape American history. Soaring dreams above the hill. Pilots chasing silence still. MK Magnus 72. The river rose and thunder grew. Floodwaters came, but hope remained. Neighbors rebuilt through loss and pain. Ink and airplane, whales and stone. Elmira always found its own. Turn another page today. You'll still find history on